means recipe time. I like to say recipe instead of recipe because this recipe incorporates breast milk. It's breast milk ice cream. It's really great for a hot summer day. The kids love it. So let's get started. So what's great about this recipe is that not only is the breast milk super beneficial, but so is the banana. It is chock full of vitamins and minerals, which is a great first food for your little one. It's mushy, it's delicious, and so this is why it's gonna be a big foundation to this recipe. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop it up and then we're gonna put it in the freezer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna chop this banana up into small pieces. It doesn't really matter how big or how small because it's gonna be put in a blender anyway. So we're just gonna chop little chunks, take it over and put it in my bowl here. And then this will go straight into the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours until they're, frozen. So let's go put this in the freezer. All right, so it's been a couple hours. The house is still quiet. So let's get our frozen bananas and get this ice cream recipe started. So I love this. It's the perfect treat for summertime. The little ones adore this recipe and it's so easy. So we're just gonna put the bananas here in a little smoothie blender. You can also use a food processor. I forgot the most important ingredient. Hold on. Breast milk, of course. So we're just gonna pour 2 ounces of breast milk. You can double this recipe with 4 ounces, however much you have in your stash, and just add another banana. So there's 2 ounces of breast milk, and then I'm also gonna add a little bit of cinnamon, about a 1/4 teaspoon. I don't know about you, but I love cinnamon. And then about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. For a little added flavor, that is optional. So let's make sure the lid is nice and secure. Also, let's make sure there's no baby sleeping because it's gonna get a little loud. Make sure everything's at the bottom, give it a little shake, and blend. Oh, look at that. Look at that consistency. It's perfect. All right, let's grab these bowls. The kids are going to love this. It's seriously the best treat when it's hot out, and it's so good for your little ones. Breast milk, banana. All right, let's clean the kitchen and get the kids. Who's ready for ice cream? It's so hot today. I think we need this treat, huh? All right, ready? Let's give it a try. What do our taste testers think? Oh, your sister loves it. What do you think?